أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. We have now completed two chapters of Tabir al-Qur'ani step by step, understanding how the Quran chooses its words with precision, beauty, and a purpose. So today we begin chapter 3, inshallah, continuing our journey to see how every expression in the Quran carries meanings far deeper than the translation alone. So about this book, we must be just recalling that this book just shows you why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose certain words, not just the meaning of the words, the position and the context. It just means a lot. So it just trains your eyes to notice small differences between the similar verses and differences that carry just a huge meaning. So also, this book just it just give you power, to just give power to both your Arabic grammar and also your Quran understanding at the same time. Like you are learning a lot, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So, like each lesson that we have been learning just builds, just just slowly, like I know that this book is quite slow, so just don't worry if some terms um, it's like it's hard and going very slowly, but just don't worry. Like sometimes there are new terms that we don't know. Like there are some few words that we do not know. So just keep reading. Whenever we complete a page, just try to do it on your own. Just try to read that, just repeat, and they just become clearer with the examples. And also, always give a quiz. It says started, so just try to do the quiz for this book, like the Abidul Qur'ani, and also like other lessons that we learn. Just try to do the quiz. It will just this repetition will just engrave those ideas in your mind. So also about this book, book just focuses on the Quranic style, like what is the slope of the Quran, how all these arrangements and order and the choices of the words just going to change the whole of the meaning. So you don't need advanced grammar to just start this book. You just need your willingness to just observe and think deeply, like what we are learning. You need to, like, whenever we read the Quran, like there are so many words that we come across. So we are just learning that why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used a particular word in or particular family in that context. So we are just taking one page every time. We are focusing on each and every concept that we are learning, and that's not speedy. So you will just start recognizing patterns in the Quranic expression as we go forward. So inshallah ta'ala, with that, inshallah, we are going to start with chapter number 3. That's about taqdim wa ta'khir. We have been learning about taqdim wa ta'khir in our nahu and in our balagha studies. So let's see what Dr. Fadil Samari says about taqdim and ta'khir. So this is chapter number 3, inshallah. Let's start with the Arabic text now. Um, يمكننا تقسيم أحوال التقديم والتأخير قسمين على قسمين. الأول تقديم اللفظ على عامله، نحو here خالدا آتيت, and the other one وبمحمد اقتديت. And then الثاني, the second one, التقديم الألفاظي بعضها على بعض في غير العامل، وذلك نحو قوله تعالى وما أهل لغير الله به. And also here ومثل أردت here أردت خالدا كتابي وأردت كتابي خالدا. So here Dr. Father Samay starts like saying that we can divide the ahwal, the cases of taqdeem and the ta'khir, like taqdeem, like putting forward and just delaying this ta'khir into two categories. Like the first one is uh, it's taqdeem al-lafz ala amilihi nahu. So just like the taqdeem of a word, like ahead of its grammatical like grammatically, like ala amil, like what's grammatically, uh, you can say the taqdeem, how you can grammatically put a word forward. And then we have like this Khalid and Ataitu here. So just Khalid gave him, yeah, or I gave him. And then we have be Muhammadan and it's Aktadaitu. So with Muhammad, I followed. So here you can see in both cases we have the taqdeem of the loves ala amilihi. So and then uh, the theme of the words. First, it was the theme of a word, and then we have the theme of the words over one another. بعضها على بعض. When في غير عمل, when when there is nothing involved, like it's not working, like where it was working, and in the second sentence when it's not working, like you can see وما أهل به لغير الله. So also here we see وما أهل لغير الله به and وما أهل به لغير الله. So both of them are different. So inshallah, we'll see that why Dr. Father Summary has mentioned these examples. So, Taqdeem, now let's begin. And the other example that he has given here, Artu Khalid in Kitabi, just like I gave Khalid or I just lent Khalid my book, and Artu Kitabi and Khalidan. I gave my book to or lend my book to Khalid. So these are the examples that Dr. Fadil Samari has mentioned for Taqdeem and Takhir. And in each sentence, you can see this Taqdeem and Takhir going on in both these cases and in these both cases. So let's see after that what Dr. Fadil Samari is saying. Taqdeem al-lafz ala amilihi. So let's see here when it's working تقديم of the loves على عامله. We know about عامل and غير عامل. So here this is about the عامل. ومن هذا الباب تقديم المفعول به على فعله وتقديم الحال على فعلها وتقديم الظرف والجار والمجرور على فعلهما وتقديم الخبر على مبتدا ونحو ذلك. So here he is talking about all the taqdeem of like taqdeem of the maf'ul bihi before the fail, وتقديم الحال على فعل, and وتقديم of the zarf وجار ومجرور, these شبه جملات على فعلها on the fail. Like we know, we have learned this, the taqdeem of the zarf and jar majrur. We know that these are the fragments that are called the shibhu jumla. Then we have taqdeem al-khabar ala mubtada and ونحو ذلك. وهذا وهذا التقديم في الغالب يفيد الاختصاص. Here he's saying that فقولك أنجدت خالدا يفيد أنك أنجدت خالدا ولا يفيد خصصت أنك خصصت خالدا بالنجدة بل نجتدي بالنجتدي بل يعوز بل يجوز أنك أنجدت غيره أو لم تنجد أحدا معه. فإذا قلت خالدا عن جدد أفاد ذلك أنك خصصت خالدا بن نجدد وأنك لم تنجد أحدا آخر أحدا آخر. let's complete it. ومثل هذا التقديم في القرآن القرآني كثير. فمن ذلك قوله تعالى إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. This is the very first تقديم وتأخير that we have seen in Surah Al-Fatiha. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين, and we have learned that this is because of the exclusivity. So let's see what Dr. Fadil Samari is saying, that it's like a taqdeem of a word ahead of its whatever the grammatical amil, or you can say this grammatical agent. So it just includes ومن هذا الباب تقديم, like it just include the تقديم of the مفعول به على its فعل, وتقديم of حال على its فعل, وتقديم الظرف وجار مجرور fragment on the فعل, and also تقديم of the خبر on the مبتدا, and also just like that. So and all those similar structures. So then he's saying that this kind of taqdeem is usually just indicating exclusivity. It is ikhtisas. This is ikhtisas. Yufid al ikhtisas. And we have learned this, that whenever there is taqdeem and ta'khir, in all these cases, there is ikhtisas. There is this exclusivity. So, like just like that, here Anjaddu. I helped Khalid, like it's from this word, Anjaddu Khalidan, and also Khalidan Anjaddu. So here, Anjaddu Khalidan, this is, he is giving this example that I helped Khalid, just tells us uh, that you helped Khalid. Like he's saying that it does not necessarily mean that you helped only him, like fakat Khalidan. It's not showing that. And also, it is possible you helped someone else as well, or perhaps you helped no one else besides him. So, but if you say, he's saying that, but if you say Khalidan anjadtu, so Khalidan or Khalid is the one I have. Khalidan anjadtu. So now this sequence change, this tabdeen of the maful bihi, just showing that you specifically singled out Khalid for help, and that you did not help anyone else. So you did not help anyone else. وَإِنَّكَ لَمْ تُنْجِدْ أَحْدًا آخر. So this this is the تقديم like ومثل هذا تقديم في القرآن كثيرا. So he's saying that this style of تقديم uh, like it happens, it occurs frequently in the Quran. And ومن ذلك قوله تعالى, among such examples like this, ومثل هذا ومن ذلك قوله تعالى إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. So this is the exclusivity that we see iyaka, this bringing forth, or this the theme of this pronoun iyaka before nabudu. We see again here this exclusivity. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is the first page of this Tabir al-Qur'ani. This is about Taqdeem and Takhir. And in this whole, like, chapter we are going to see, because it's quite long chapter about taqdeem and ta'khir. Like in Arabics, like sometimes we know that the words appear before and after, like there is taqdeem and ta'khir going on. So and we know that this is one of the most powerful tools of the Quran and its expression. So this taqdeem and ta'khir, like bringing a word um, uh, forward and like delaying it, it's like it just gives a special meaning and just focus on the exclusivity, like bringing some words had and also delaying the word. So just uh, like here we have seen wama uhilla bihi li ghayrillah, and then wama uhilla li ghayrillah bihi. So in both, like both are correct, but have different emphasis, like it depending on what is brought forward. And as always, we have learned that the context is very important. Then we learn about this Artu Kitabi Khalidan and Artu Khalidan Kitabi. So both mean like I just learned Khalid my book, but the the focus is shifted. So what is the main idea? Like the theme is mainly is about the emphasis on some words. So this is the main point of the lesson. This is the heart of the lesson. So uh, we learn that mostly Taqdeem and Takhir is going on because of the exclusivity. So the Quran just uses this tool a lot. So also this famous example, Iyyaka na'budu, you alone we worship. So like the normal we have learned about this normal order na buduka we worship you, so there is no exclusivity. But by bringing iyaka, this pronoun, like in taqdeem, doing taqdeem to the here, like bringing iyaka to the front, just now the meaning is just completely changed. We worship only you, no one else. So this is the power of taqdeem. This is the power of bringing forward um, some word for just exclusivity. So this is just showing you meanings that translations sometimes cannot show. And also, this Taqdeem Takhir helps you understand why the Quran sometimes changes word order. Also, we we see that like it's going to train us to notice emphasis and exclusivity and the focus in the verses, like what is the focus of the verse, what is the context trying to show us. It's like it's just giving power to understanding of balagha as well. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Inshallah, with that, we are going to conclude this session. I'll see you in the next session. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.